So here we are, we've just arrived at the win, we're checked in. Sorry about the mess, it didn't take me long. Are we ready for some gambling in Vegas? Yes we are. Turn off the lights. Alexa, open the drapes.
Okay.
Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
Alexa, open the blinds.
Okay.
Oh, it's not so bad, is it? Welcome to Las Vegas. So we couldn't get into the slot tournament because I'm already here on an offer. We put our 300 free play in. We used 100 of it, so we've got 200 left. Just got top dollar. There's our first offer, which we're going to reject. Oh no, I took the offer. Well, that was a mistake. One back off spin. And I'll move on to another game. Okay, so we moved over to Cleopatra 2. We was doing 9 lines, 25-cent denom, so it's $2.25 a bet. We're going to go middle. Come on, loads of spins. So we've nearly used 150 in free play. Come on, re-trigger. Come on. My maths isn't very good because it's probably about 3 AM in my head. So trying to work out the maths. 54.25 cents. So divide 54 by 4. That's about 12.50. We'll do a back off spin. Oh, lovely. Moved over to another Cleopatra 2 game. This one is on lower denoms, 5 cent, 20 lines this time, so that's the maximum lines, and we're timesing it by 2, so that makes it a $2 a spin. I've turned free play off for the minute, so we're just playing with our own 100 plus the money we've won from the free play. See if we can catch a bonus. Come on, we just want 3 of these babies, come on. That's alright. That's $12.50. We'll take it. I don't think we go lower than 150. Oh, and I've got me espresso martini to try and stay awake as late as possible so the jet lag don't cause problems. Oh, one away. Come on. That's alright. Money back and a little something extra. Oh, one away again, come on. Just a couple more spins. Alright, last spin. Now I think we might move over to Stinkin Rich. Okay, we gave it an extra tenner. Little confession. Stick with that middle one. Come on, loads of spins.
You won 9. Please spin.
9, not bad. I should have gone green for money. Lady luck. Come on. $2. That's all right. That's about 20. We're up to $25 now. Come on. 3 sphinxes. Give us that re-trigger. Another 15. Last spin. Oh no, one more spin. Come on, make it a big one. 5 of a kind. Or a re-trigger. Oh, so close. Still, we'll take it. Just under $50. Puts us on 193. We'll do a back off spin. And we'll move on. We moved over to Stinkin Rich and we got trash for cash bonus. We're down to 116. I'm not really sure, I've never had this before. Oh, that was the best one. 24. Not bad. Let's see if we can get a keys to riches bonus now. That's what I'm really going for. We're doing $2 a spin. Come on. We won't go below 100. So we're looking for 3 of the keys to riches on a pay line. On the first 3 reels. $1.60. Come on. Three more spins to do it. Oh, that gives us another spin. Come on. Alright, last one. We'll do 1 at $1. And okay, moving on to the next machine. Okay, I just walked past the new Firelink Explosion. I couldn't resist, I've got to stop and give this a go. It's the highest major out of the bank of 3. This is our bet choices down here. I think we're going to go $2.25 a spin. Seems reasonable. Or we could change the nom. We could go to 5-cent denom and do 5-cent denom. 60 credits would be how much? No idea. 60 times 5, 60, 120, 240. So that's $3 a spin. Give it a go. Oh, that's alright. How much is that? That's nearly $25. So it's better. There you go. with 100 on here. It's alright. Come on, we want that filing bonus. And some. Change that to knobs in a minute. Alright, let's try 2-cent denom, $3 bets. Alright. Oh, that's just shy of $20 straight away. Come on. Alright, some ones, some win. Come on. No, people say the balls don't drop that, not many drop that quickly in this game. Come on, 2 more. Let's try 1 cent. Go 2.25. Bet to 150, see if we can do anything here, trigger a bonus. Come on. Come on, two naturally. Back to 5 cent. 30 credits times 5 is 150. Doing the same bet. Yes, come on. Alright, come on. Two more to unlock. Come on, one more to unlock the next row. There you go. We're on 5 cent denominator, so all of these numbers are times by 5. We've unlocked another row. So keep them coming. 2 more to unlock. 1 more to unlock now. 3 spins to do it. Oh, last spin. Come on, drop something. Oh, she done it. So we've unlocked. Oh, that's alright. It's about $25 unlocked. Last spin. And that's all she wrote. See if we can get back over the 100. That's alright, that's just shy of $100. 1880 times 5. what's that? Probably about $90. Collect your coins for Slotaholic. Puts us on 142. Let's give it a few more spins. See, what would 10 cent be? $3 a spin? Try 10 cent denom, take it down to 100 and walk away if we don't get anything. Come on, do it. 2 of them. Two more. And you've blocked all the wilds. All blockers. Alright, one more spin. Giving us another couple more spins. Alright, last one. Go on, do it. Not today, that's all she wrote. Moving on to the next machine.